What's going on, everybody? Headed to the airport right now. We're going to do some instrument flying today. We're going to do a run between some airports, and basically we'll get about 7 instrument approaches in, and hopefully about 3 hours of flying. Getting ready for my check ride. I've got my written scheduled for this coming Monday in about 2 days. So hopefully by the time this video is uploaded, I will have passed it. And then I've hit 200 hours, so we're getting closer and closer to that 250 hour mark. So this is working on my instrument skills and my time building. So yeah, come along for the flight. Alright guys, so I did lie. I know I said there would be 7 instrument approaches in this video. However, the winds were so bad that we decided to just fly straight back home after getting fuel at Huntingburg. So you guys will just be watching the departure out of Huntingburg and the arrival into Elizabethtown. Also, I do want to apologize for the audio on this video. This audio cable I have with my iPhone makes the audio sound like it's coming out of a cotton ball. So the audio quality won't be the best, but you can still hear what's being said, and that's all that matters. Just go ahead and enjoy the video and stay tuned for more. To panel. We're good. Let's get the weather real quick.
4,000. Temperature 12 Celsius.
Huntingburg traffic, Cherokee 55416 at the FBO, taxiing down to runway 9er for a southeastbound departure, Huntingburg.
Alright, we'll send to panel. We'll delete that one. Preview. That's what we want. Activate. Alright, clear left, clear right. Alright, left seat departure. We'll rotate at 70, about 75, anything. And if we're not getting the power performance we want by Alpha 2, not up by Alpha 4, we'll pull power, maximum aerodynamic braking. If we get up and we have issues and there's available runway left, we'll put it back down. If not, there's not many options. We'll have to do probably a left-hand turn or a right-hand turn into the fields, and just hope we can make it back. We wouldn't make it back to the runway if we got to be above, what is about 600 feet. Or about 500 feet, so that's it. If we're above 1,000, we'll try and make a turn back for the runway. We'll use the wind to our advantage, kind of help push us that way. If not, we'll have to land in one of the fields. Again, if with those trees at the end, the #1 goal is just to end up not in the trees. We'll climb to 3,500, direct to Elizabethtown. We'll see about flying a procedure in. I'm not too worried about it. With the wind, I mean, we could fly the ILS. My thing is just we got to be careful with the parachute jumpers. Yeah, being in and out of the area. So we'll do a quick run up here, and then we'll be good to go. Alright, let's roll. Pump comes on, lights come on.
Huntingburg traffic, Cherokee 55416, taking up runway 9, southeastbound departure, Huntingburg.
Let's set up 3,500. Clear, bases are good, final's good. 09 confirmed, no one's coming in. Is anyone coming up? Nope. Nope. Power's coming in and achieved. One good engine. One thing I do want to address is the red light on the annunciator panel. It's a normal indication. It's associated with the oil pressure, which is operating normal, unlike what the light is saying. The engine monitor gives both a numerical reading and a visual reference as to how your aircraft is performing in certain areas, and just like any instrument, this needs to be calibrated to the plane it is being utilized in. The range for the oil pressure on the engine monitor is not accurate, saying that normal operating pressure is actually above the red line. This is incorrect, hence the reason I have no reaction to it, so there's no reason to worry about it. The oil pressure is operating just fine.
Huntingburg traffic, Cherokee 55416 is departing the area to the southeast, runway 9, Huntingburg.
So at this point, the camera fell off of the roof. But because we were not paying attention to the camera, we were focusing on flying. We did not see this until it was time to stop the video, and we realized that the camera was on the floor. So we lost about half of the climb out of Huntingburg. But yeah, so sorry about that.
Kentucky 6, got you in sight, no factor.
Kentucky 6, thank you, sir. Left downwind, 13 Danville.
Elizabethtown traffic, cover 9024 Lima, left crosswind, 23 Elizabethtown. 1. Elizabethtown traffic, Cherokee 55416, about a mile northwest. We're going to cross midfield, do a teardrop entry, and left down runway 23 Elizabethtown. Down traffic, cover 9024 Lima, left downwind, 23 Elizabethtown.
Yeah, sit on Sam. Might be below us. Yeah, he's kind of below us.
Elizabethtown traffic, Cherokee 55416 is overflying midfield 2,500. Going to make the teardrop entry 45 for the left downwind, runway 23, full stop Elizabethtown.
Be looking for that other guy. He's crossing in front of our nose now. He'll be on your side to start. In the pattern? Yeah, he's right off in front of our nose. No factor though. I got him in sight. Dude, that's so sick.
I don't see this one.
See him?
Come up.
Right in front of the wind, yeah. Okay. Hey, we were only like 600 feet above him. Alright, we can start descending now.
Elizabethtown traffic, cover 9024 Lima, left base, 23 Elizabethtown.
Taylor craft is left base, 13 Danville.
The E-Town traffic, Cherokee 55416 is on the 45 to the left downwind, runway 23. Will give way to the high wing tail dragger downwind.
Where's the tail dragger?
He's on downwind. He'll slip in front of us.
I see him.
Addington Field, Elizabethtown Regional Airport. Automated weather observation. 19er, 41 Zulu, weather, wind, 140 at 7, visibility, 10, clear, below, 1.
Elizabethtown traffic, Cherokee 55416, join the left downwind, runway 23, full stop Elizabethtown. 9024, on the go, 23, Elizabethtown.
1407.
Elizabethtown traffic, Cherokee 55416, turning left base, runway 23, Elizabethtown. Traffic. Elizabethtown traffic, Cherokee 55416, turning final, 23, Elizabethtown. Sorry, from the departure leg, headed to the east, Bardstown traffic.
I way overshot that.
Down traffic, tower 9024 Lima, left crosswind 23, Elizabethtown.
Holy crap. That might have been a good landing.
Might have been.
Addington traffic, Cherokee 55416, clear runway 23, text back to the T hangars, Addington.